The mother in Kayole Estate, Nairobi, has suffered double tragedy after a 12-year-old was swept away by floods, leading to death, and her husband disappeared shortly after he was mistakenly told that all his 3 children had been killed in the Saturday afternoon floods. 2 children survived. NTV's Helen Wanjohi with those details.
The pain of a mother losing her child. One of her 3 children, 12-year-old Margaret Wamboi, a Class 5 pupil, is no more. Neither Zipporah nor her husband, Harrison Minor, were around when the incident happened. Neighbors called Zipporah and her husband to inform them of the tragedy that had befallen them.
Vile ilianguka, kuna watoto walikuwa wanaanza kupanda hiyo mawe. Ikianguka wanapanda watoto wawili. Sasa huyu mwingine mmoja ndio alikuwa amelala kwa kitanda. Sasa vile alikuwa amelala kwa kitanda, maji bado juu kulikuwa kunanyesha sana. Mvua nayo ikakuja ikabeba ule mtoto akashindwa mahali pa kujisukuma.
But they only gave her a vague description of what had happened.
Juu mimi venye tulirundi, tulikuja Mama Lucy. Juu watu walikuwa wananiambia ati mtoto hajaaga.
This is the sitting room in which the 2 children were playing, and this is the bedroom where little Margaret was. The poor drainage system here did not drain out all the water. The wall is still fresh with the marking of the depth of the water that damaged all 4 iron sheet houses. Zipporah says that the last time she spoke to her husband, he was asking whether she had heard about the incident. They have not spoken again since. He had apparently been misinformed that all his children had died.
Juu alikuwa ameenda huko Nakuru na alikuwa ameenda wakiwa dereva wawili na hiyo lori walikuwa wameandikwa nayo. Sasa huyo dereva tukamuuliza kama amerudi. Akatuambia venye walikuwa kwa gari ati aliacha simu akamwambia ameenda kujisaidia. Tukangojea tu.
As of now, the family and those close to her are clinging on to hope that Harrison will be found.
Mungu anasikia kilio ya hii familia na huyo mzee wa hiyo nyumba atapatikana. Tuna imani kubwa sana.
Her husband's disappearance, coming hand in hand with her child's death, has hit her hard. She is now preparing for a burial and trying to keep tabs on the search for her lost spouse. Helen Wanjohi, NTV.